Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening YouTube where you control cast settings. You need to be signed in. Once done, confirm the TV and your phone or tablet are on the same Wi-Fi network so devices appear. Now tap your profile icon in the YouTube app or website. This gives access to settings that control connected devices. Make sure you use the account that previously linked to the TV. Otherwise, you won't see the relevant device list to disable casting. You navigate into Settings and choose Watch on TV or Connected Devices to view active pairings. Once there, scan the list for the TV name or the paired device entry that you want to stop casting. Tap that device to open detailed options. This is where you can manage permissions and end sessions. If you see an option to remove, unpair, or sign out, select it. This severs the link. Make sure to confirm prompts so the change takes effect immediately. You disable casting by tapping Remove, Unpair, or Sign Out for the TV entry. Confirm when prompted so the account no longer auto-casts. After that, restart the YouTube app on both your phone and the TV to verify the device no longer appears under cast. If it still shows, go back and revoke access from your Google account's device activity or reboot your router and devices to clear cached network pairings. One key troubleshooting tip: if casting resumes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.